Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Teague. Let's learn about RAV4 XLE Premium. This is the 2023 RAV4 XLE Premium. It's all-wheel drive. You can get it in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is going to cost about $1,400 exactly, more than the front-wheel drive. I'm going to walk around this one so you can see what XLE Premium's all about. You may notice the 19-inch alloy wheels, pretty sharp. This is ruby flare pearl color. I'm going to show you how this is different from the XLE, why it might be a better value than the XLE, and then we're going to go over some buttons, controls, dials, including the new multimedia, so you learn everything. Now looking inside, we're going to see a couple reasons right off the start of why you might choose the XLE Premium. It's got a standard moonroof. It also upgrades from the fabric seats to the Softex seats. We've got some multimedia screens to talk about. Let's give them something to talk about, right? All right, I see USBs, I see air, we'll talk about that. See how this is convenient for families. There's a lot to discuss. Would you like a power back hatch? Well, I could do it this way. I could have done it this way. Could even do it from the front of the car. Another thing I like about RAV4 in general is just the back area here. It's pretty roomy. And then I can lay the seats down. Lay it down. Lay it down. Now I have a lot of room, and you will too. If you're fighting for cargo space and you want just a smidge, just a little tad more of cargo space, well, you can also make this the all-weather, and you could go beneath the groove. Get into the groove. Yeah, you've got to prove you're up to me. So now we gave just a little bit more space, but now we can stack up more. And yes, we've got a spare tire. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, right round. Also, if you don't know what to do with this other than whack a piñata, well, you can pop off the panel here, pop off the panel here, and then now I can store my tonneau cover underneath the floorboard, sort of like that. It's like Jenga, but not like Jenga. Let's go ahead and finish strong here. We've got tie downs. We're doing cargo area right now. We've got tie down here. It's kind of hidden away, so you'll want to know that exists. Do we have 12-volt circular plug-in? Yeah, we do. We got a light also, and then a little storage cubby for whatever you want it to be. So what do we got under the hood? Performance Fast Facts. It's a relatively light hood. We've got a prop rod. The thing I like is that it's out of the way. If you're doing your own work, boom. We've got a hood blanket here. A little bit of sound deadening. That's kind of nice. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Come over here so you can see all of me. All of me. All right, 203 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This one right here is all-wheel drive with multi-terrain select. Multi-terrain select right here, I can choose snow, mud and sand, rock and dirt. See, snow, mud and sand, rock and dirt. I can also choose eco for better gas mileage, sport for more spirited acceleration, normal for normal, electronic parking brake, and brake hold. So let's go ahead and push somebody's buttons today. Whose buttons are you pushing? We got rock and dirt. We got mud and sand going to the beach. This one go there. This one could go there. We got snow mode as well. And then we've also got normal, snow, not snow, snow, not snow, sport mode, eco mode, normal mode. RAV4 XLE Premium, you have a nice looking front end, especially in ruby flare pearl. Look at that, sinister looking LED headlights here and daytime running lights. That's new for the 22 model year. LED fog lights, we've all wanted those. We've got them here. Matte black trapezoidal front grille. Look at the matte black down below too, mixed in with color keyed, and Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. That's new for 2023 model year. All the small things, say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights on, carry me home, na 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 na. Yes sirree, all the small things. Look at that profile. It's tall, it's rugged, super dependable. RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in the country, has been for several years. We've got turn signal indicators, side mirror. We've got blind spot monitor, a cutout right here to show around the A-pillar so you can see better. Look at those 19-inch wheels on those 235 55 R19 tires. A little bit of fender treatments there. We've got some matte black accents, chrome trim around the windows. To the windows, to the wall. It's got smart key, auto lock and unlock on the driver and passenger front door. That was hard to say. And then look, we've got accent piece right here. Ooh, I like that. And yes, the gas tank is right there. We'll get to that. Then we've got the black roof rails. Pretty cool stuff. I just hit the side mirror. Then we've got the moonroof. So how does this look so far? Are you happy with it? 14.5 gallon fuel tank right here. I told you we were going to talk about MPG. Yeah, you know me. It's right here. 14.5 gallons. Then we've got 27 MPG in the city, 33 MPG on the highway, and 29 MPG combined. Back here, we've got the wiper on the bus. It goes swish, swish, swish. We've got LED taillights, and they're chunky, but they also come out right here. Not a right angle, but it's real close. It's a sharp angle, housed in black, really cool looking. It's almost like dark and sinister, and I kind of like this accent piece here, how it curves up, curves down, curves all around. RAV4 in chrome and black. This one's available at Fred Anderson Toyota. Go to fredandersontoyota.com. They've got RAVs. We've got backup camera here, holla, XLE all-wheel drive, and then we've got 2 exhaust ports, and we can open it up right there. Told you we could do that a few different ways. All right, backseat passenger space here. Backseat passenger space. We've got this all the way back and tilted back, but look, I still have room. This is known for having a good amount of legroom and tall headroom. That's kind of cool. Now, what could I do with this seat here? I can move it all the way up. I can put it back and lean back. So I could do that. This has a little bit of a hump here, so you'd have to put your legs around it, but it's a comfortable seat. I just kind of soaked right into it. Squishy, squishy, like a Squishmallow, but, well, with the RAV4 seat. And then this one is set for me, who's 5'8", so I've got plenty of room, and you may too. That's standard. We're also going to see USB-Cs back here, rear air. Look at that. We got some lighting going on here. That's not standard. That's the upgraded ambient lighting. Then look here, we got cup holders. Ooh, nice. And child latches. They're real easy to see. I would assume real easy to use. We've got the oblique handles right here. Good window space. So yeah, there's room. And then one pocket over there on the passenger side. So let's get on in here on the passenger side. What can we do here? Well, we can see lots of light trim, lots of dark trim, but it mixes it up at least. We've got a bottle holder here, maybe a small bottle holder here, or whatever you want it to be. Let's go. See? What do you want it to be? Whatever. We got a smart shelf right here. We've got a glove box. This has the smart LED ambient lighting as part of it. So there's a lot you could fit in here. These are the all-weather mats that you could get. I recommend them because they're lipped. If you spill anything, it's not going to leave the mat. And then got this right here. That is not to pump up the seat. That would be nice. It's just to move it forward and backward. Good bolstering here. Nice and chunky, but it's soft. I actually like the view from here. Before we go inside, let's talk about the weather package. You can see the MSRP right there, but the weather package has the heated leather trimmed steering wheel, heated front seats, an 8-way power seat. That's already standard, but with memory function, rain sensing wipers, and windshield wiper de-icer. So what we'll see, the memory is right there. It's stored in my memory seats. Then we've got, for the heated steering wheel, the windshield wiper de-icer. That's all part of that weather package. And the heated leather steering wheel here. Easy to use controls. They get easier every year. Got voice commands because it's Toyota Audio Multimedia. 8-way power driver seat with lumbar support, lumbar out, lumbar in, up, down, all that jazz, all around. Inside, we've got USB-Cs. We've also got that ambient lighting down in there. That's part of the upgrade. That's a Southeast Toyota region option. We've got storage here, USB-A, so the big one, and then 12-volt circular. Also, heated seats, down, up, high or low. Engine start and stop. So if you don't want that car to shut off at a traffic light, you just hit that Avengers button and it says off on your multi-information display right there. So let's go back here. Traction control on and off. You'd normally want to keep it so it's on. That's a good safety feature. And then we've got this one, this one. If you want to do smart air conditioning, it's only going to heat and cool the people that it feels in the car, so the front. All right, so that if you want to sync up your temperature, you just push that. Now they're all synced up together. Together forever, forever. Yeah, I just rickrolled you guys. All right, so 8-inch multimedia. We've got this right here, so we can go to Sirius XM. Turn that off. I want to do music. I want to do rock. So you can scroll through your stations. Pretty easy to do. Okay, that would be where the navigation could go. But you have Apple CarPlay and Apple Android Auto standard on there. So might not be that important. I can connect and pair and set up a profile so it can transfer all of your music preferences, your temperature preferences, all that jazz between cars. So we can do trip information, get a history on how we're doing. I'm just burning fuel right here talking to you, so it's not going to be anything special. If there are any alerts like maintenance due, that kind of stuff. Settings. This is where you'll put your profile in. Bluetooth, general. If I want to adjust daylight savings time, what you do is just switch this, 8:31, 9:31. So that's how you do that. That's pretty important. And then I like to go to sound and media so I can adjust auto sound levelizer. That means when you stop at a traffic light, it will be low. The audio will be low. But if you have it on high or medium, then as you speed up, well, your radio sound is going to go up as well. So that might be helpful. If you think these commands are too, I'm going to take this off. There we go. If you think it's too loud or too quiet, you can adjust those right here and make it quieter. So that's kind of nice. Sound tuning. Treble, mid, bass. That's what I wanted to do. So I did it. Then we can vehicle customize. Lights. How do you want to adjust your lights? Your door controls. Auto lock, shift from park, auto unlock. When you go to park, to press unlock, lock when door, unlock driver only or all the doors. I would say if you're somebody who's nervous about getting into a car by yourself, especially at night, only do the driver only. But if you have kids and you want to make sure it's convenient and everything's opened at the same time, you could do all doors. That's just up to you. It's a matter of convenience versus safety, whichever you want to do. Climate. All right, cool. And this one right here, we've got the 7-inch screen right here. We can go through our messages, information. Look, I'm just going through this by pushing it down. So that's how you change it. And you push OK anytime you see something you like. Or you could whistle like that. Radio. We've got more information about the car, tire pressure. All-wheel drive, that's going to tell you when you move, it's going to tell you when you're using the wheels in the back, the wheels in the front, all that jazz. Lane tracing assist. Let's hold that down. Do you want the lane center on or off? I want that on. Sensitivity, sway warning, sway sensitivity. Then we're going to go back. Pre-collision system, you always want to have that on. That will help you. It alerts you if a car is coming and it thinks you might hit it. It'll also, in a perfect world, stop you. Blind spot monitor off, or do you want it on, just like that? Tundra in the way. All right, so rear cross traffic alert, you want that on. Also, that's for alerting you when there's a car or a person behind you when you're backing up. Road sign assist, off or on. Stop, yield sign, do not enter, speed limit. So this one right here under vehicle settings, we'll hold that down on the OK button. And then we can go to power back door. If it's not on, then that means it's been turned off. So go here, opening adjustment. Do you want it to go all the way up? Are you shorter? Do you want it to go a little bit less maybe in height? That's the engine start and stop. Do you want it standard, extended? Tire pressure warning system. Rear seat reminder, that's what tells you if you're turning the car off, you're getting out, and maybe you left a laptop bag or a dog or a child. Nobody thinks that they're going to do it, but this is what helps you if you did. So vehicle maintenance also. So we go there, and then we could go to settings. Let's hold that down. Language, Español en français, English. Units. If yours is messed up, not the way you want it, then you fix it. Okay, so do we want that? Or do we want this? Do you want analog? I don't want that at all. See, but look how easy it is. If you mess up like I did, you can go back. Holla. We'll do digital. Most people like digital. Okay, so those are things that you could do on your display. In up top, Girl Scout, we've got the manual auto dimmer. You can see me. Well, you can't see me. There, you can see me. I'm John Cena. Can't see me. All right, we got sunglasses here. And then let's open up this moonroofy. It goes up this far, but it opens more if you push it again. So if you want it fully extended, push it. All right, if you want all the lights to come on when the doors are open, do that. And then this will vent your moonroof. All right, so we got lighted mirrors avec slider. That means with in French. Look at this. Check rear seat and turn lights off. We got reminders. If you want to know what comes standard on an XLE Premium, well, it's right here, and I'll show you the pricing too. All-wheel drive. Remember, for $1,400 less, you can go with our friend front wheel drive. This is a 2 for the VIN number. The first number, that means it's made in Ontario, Canada. If you get a 4, that means it would be a car that's made in Georgetown, Kentucky. If you get a J, that's a Japan car. Really good safety ratings here. Here's the fuel mileage I was telling you about. No lies here. Ain't no shame in my game. All right, so just take a look at these features and see what you think. Standard, not standard, upgrade. These are factory upgrades. The middle part of the window sticker for Toyota. Special colors, that ruby flare pearl. Do you want the weather package? Tell me. Delivery, handling, processing. And then this one has some options that were added at the regional assembly port. The screen protector, that one's midway down, $129 is the price, right below the $449. And that ambient lighting, if you want that, it's controlled with your phone app, $449. That's a good one too. I like ambient lighting, so I would add that. That's just me. Maybe you would. $39,407. And like I said, you can go to fredandersontoyota.com and see all of Fred Anderson Toyota's inventory. They have a lot of cars on the lot. Probably, I'll bet 40 or 50 right now available for sale. It's crazy. If you like my content, please hit subscribe to Toyota Jeff Reviews. You'll also find me on Instagram and TikTok at, type it in, Toyota Jeff Reviews. Thanks guys so much. I really appreciate you all. You're the best. What do you think about Toyota RAV4 in general? What compact or small SUV is your favorite? Is it RAV4? Is it something else? Maybe you got your eye on a Kia, or maybe a Sportage Hybrid. Maybe you got your eye on a Honda, that kind of thing. Let me know which one is your preference and why. That would be good content for comments. All right, thanks everybody so much. Woo! We did it. Woo! 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 See you next time.